Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this little mini John Cooper Works. So first thing we do, hopefully you'll be able to see from here, I'll try and get the sun off it. Make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. We're watching out for the bottom here, but over here, to telephone, and then you've got Bluetooth menu, connect further devices and so on. But we want Bluetooth menu, so click on Bluetooth menu, select, go add new device, and there's also a tick in the Bluetooth box, so if you can't connect, just make sure there's a tick there. Mini 12770, click on there, and that's showing that's it. Bluetooth pairing, request pair, and then we have to select, click OK on the dash, allow contacts and favorites to sync. Now then, mini connected, that's it done. It's just taking a little bit of time to catch up on the system, but unsurprisingly, because I've had this connected, I've just disconnected it about 2 minutes ago and reconnecting it, so it's I've probably confused it. What I should have done was switch the car off first, lock the doors, switched it on again. So that's it, and you see there's a tick in telephone and there's also a tick in Bluetooth audio, so that will play music.